Contracts, offer and acceptance, constructive termination of an offer, LAS 306, Spring 2009. Infancy. From a very early age, Jane and Sally fought over everything. For instance, one time, when Jane's dad was babysitting Jane and Sally, he left them unattended while leaving them with peanut butter to snack on. Childhood. Jane and Sally continued their rivalry throughout their childhood. Whenever Jane was on one team, Sally had to be on the other team. Sometimes the sporting events got violent. Jane and Sally almost always fought over food, regardless of who brought it to school. Jane and Sally never liked each other. Even though they never got along, Jane and Sally maintained their relationship well into their adult lives. One day, when Jane and Sally were up to their normal shenanigans, Jane started talking about their old mutual friend, Steve. Steve's house was getting foreclosed on, and he needed cash. So Steve was selling his truck. Jane explained to Sally that Steve offered to sell his car to her, but she had a few days before she would accept his. Jane made a few phone calls. Jane went down to the bank and got qualified for a loan. Meanwhile, Sally contacted Steve and bought his truck. Jane saw Sally driving the truck, thus effectively terminating Steve's offer. Sally gloated to Jane. What you have just seen is not a crime. In fact, it was perfectly legal. Because Jane did not officially accept Steve's offer, Sally was able to make an offer to Steve for the truck. In this case, Steve accepted Sally's offer. Because Jane found out about the sale of Steve's truck before she accepted Steve's offer, the offer to sell the truck to Jane was automatically rescinded. There's nothing Jane can do. This has been a production of the People Are No Damn Good production company.